Hello everyone, welcome to a new Zano video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to whitelist a custom token and asset on the Zano Wallet. So if you have received a custom token to your wallet, it will show up in the history tab like this with question marks next to it. So if you click on it, it will then show you an asset ID here. So what you have to do now is right click copy, head on over to the top right 3 dots, click Add Custom Token, and then simply paste in the asset ID there. Then click Add Token. And as you can see, we've added a new asset called Free Roger. If I refresh the tab here, you can see I have received 100 Free Roger. So before it was showing as the question marks, but this airdrop that I just received, now, because I whitelisted it, shows there. And now I can see it in my balance here as well. So this free Roger token was actually airdropped to Zano addresses. So if you already have a wallet on Zano, you're likely to have received this airdrop. And also, if you're interested in what this token is, this token represents the free Roger Ver company. Currently, he's facing over 100 years in prison for false charges. Roger is a huge supporter of Zano, so I urge everyone who supports Zano to also support Roger Ver's campaign by signing his open letter at freerogermao.org.